Hey folks, this is a video for fully remote students who are doing the Momentum Lab from home, but anyone is welcome to watch this video and use it to your advantage if you're having trouble planning your lab. So this video you're watching because you clicked on a link that was inside the Momentum Labs, but because I haven't finished making the video yet, it's not in here, so it will be in there. And so there will also be a link to a website, and that website is this one, ophysics.com. And so it's a simulation that is based around momentum and energy. We're going to base it specifically around momentum. Real quick, every box that is checked, you should uncheck it unless you want to cheat on the lab. You will pick an animation speed that suits you. Faster is like a little overwhelming. Slower is like a little torturous. So, choose something that's comfortable for you. Great. Choose a value of elasticity. If you choose 0, the blocks will stick. If you choose any other number, the blocks will not stick to one another. Now, the nice news here is that conservation of momentum will be displayed prominently no matter what value you choose. So choose any amount of elasticity and go with it and just record it. What you want to do in this situation is now design 4 separate trials where the blocks collide at this level of elasticity that you choose and record the results. So there's 6 things you're going to need to record. The mass of the red box, the mass of the blue box, the initial velocity of the blue box and the red box, and then once they collide, the final velocity of each box. So 2 masses, 4 velocities is what you need. The last thing that you do need to record is the velocity versus time graph for any one of your trials. And so this is one that you could use. Notice that there's no numbers, but just the shape of the graph is important. So you can change anything you want. Again, it doesn't matter what level of elasticity you choose, but record all the initial values and then run the simulation and record the final values. After that, you want to generate 3 more trials. So if you'll notice the first trial I had, the masses of the carts were the same. And so you want to make it so that every trial you have is different from every other trial you have. So you can make it, okay, so maybe it's time now that you make the mass of the red block significantly smaller, and maybe you also slow it down a little bit. And then you hit run and you record all the values. So again, once you have 4 separate trials, you can change. You should change multiple things each time, or you can just change one thing at a time. This was at 10. These were at 5. So maybe instead of changing 2 things at once, you just change the mass. Oops, sorry. You change the mass and then run it that way. So that's all you need to take your data. And if you have questions, let me know. And if you would like to use a spreadsheet to track your data and make calculations, look out for another video.